This 2025 Entegra Coach Odyssey SE 22TF is a Class C RV. It is located in Casselberry, FL 32707 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Orlando. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Entegra Coach is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4 and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features Bunk Over Cab. This 2025 Entegra Coach Odyssey SE 22TF is built on a Ford E350 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.